chart, and you are seeing the left eye is more weaker than right eye. Upper side same 4.9 inch. It means vision reduces from 20 inch to 4.9 inch. 15.1 inch your vision lost on the upper side. Lower side 16 inches loss of peripheral vision. You have only 4 inches peripheral vision in the lower side. On your left hand side you have lost 15.3 inches and you remains only 4.7 inch on the left hand side. On right hand side you have lost 15.5 inch peripheral vision and remains only 4.5 inches. Now you are able to see by about 4.5 inch pipe in the left hand side. So your vision is 4.5 inch in the left hand side and on the right hand side 5.5 inches. Okay, and vision you are seeing by 5.5 inch in the right eye and on the left eye 4.5 inches. Okay, so these are two different pipes. You can see different position, different things in your different eye. This is called monoocular vision. And if you want to see something, then you have to turn your face slightly, then you can see properly what is this thing. This happens in your life.
Yes.
So this is monoocular vision, which is due to reduction of the peripheral vision. This happens. I will try to give you binocular vision and improve your peripheral vision also. After improving peripheral vision, you will get binocular vision. Okay. So whatever may be the problems you feeling, unable to take coin or something from if fall down, you struck with something which is placed downside. You have to see this way, that way, up and down to see, to walk properly. I may strike, I may struck. This feels you in your mind. Yeah, I may, this may happen. What do you think? This happens?
Yes.
What do you feel in the normal life? In walking?
I have to move my neck upper side, or down side, or left side, or right side to identify any object. Because my peripheral vision is low, that's why.
Because of the peripheral vision in all the direction, it is lower.
Low.
That's why you have to turn your neck and eyes as well as neck and eyes. You have to turn up, down, side,
right side, left side.
Left side. So
due to loss of my peripheral vision.
Yes, all these are happening because of your loss of peripheral vision in both eyes.
Both eyes.
And your lost binocular vision also. So you are not identifying the depth of the things. Means you are not able to see the digs on the road, speed breakers on the road, climbing the stairs and getting down from the stair, you feel problem.
What is the binocular vision? That to see any object from both eyes.
Both eye, you can say binocular vision, both eye.
Both eyes.
Single object can see.
See.
Because in 20 feet, there is 20 centimeter circle, 1 and 2, right eye and left eye. These two circle together, when come here, they cross each other. Okay. They cross the center part, they both eye, the center part of the both eye, they combine together. So this part and this part. So this center part, it will combine together and you can see the depth, upper side and speed breakers, up and down things you can see by this binocular vision. I will try to give you binocular vision. Okay, best of luck. You have lost your binocular vision, you have lost your color blindness, you have lost your distance vision also. All I will try to improve. आपका पेरिफेरल विजन हम छठे दिन देख रहे हैं. आज पाँच दिन का कोर्स खत्म हुआ आपका, और जो इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है, साइंस नहीं मानता कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. मेडिकल साइंस में ये कहा जाता है पेरिफेरल विजन एक बार कम हुआ तो हमेशा के लिए कम रहेगा, और कम हो सकता है, ये बढ़ नहीं सकता. ठीक, आप 20 तारीख को यहाँ आए थे, 20/1/2025 को, तब आपका पेरिफेरल विजन था अपर साइड पे 4.9 इंच. ओके, ये 4.9 इंच का बढ़ के हो गया है 5.9 इंच, इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ 1 इंच. ऑन द अपर साइड, ऊपर साइड 1 इंच का इम्प्रूवमेंट. आपको नीचे की तरफ आपको दिखता था 4 इंचेस, ये बढ़ के हो गया 5.5 इंच. 4 से 5.5 इंच, इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ
1.5 inch.
1.5 इंचेस. ओके, हम राइट साइड में आपको 4.5 इंच था, यहाँ से यहाँ तक दिखता था, अब ये बढ़ के हो गया है 6.2 इंच, इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ 1.7 इंच. कोई भी इस चीज़ को मानने को तैयार नहीं होगा, कोई इस चीज़ को नहीं मानेगा कि पेरिफेरल विजन इम्प्रूव हो सकता है, जो कि आपका हुआ है. विश्व में ये हमारी खोज के द्वारा ही आपका पेरिफेरल विजन बढ़ रहा है, और आपको दिखाई देने में कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ते जा रहा है. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. अपर साइड 1 इंच, लोअर साइड 1.5 इंच, आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 1.2 इंच और राइट हैंड साइड पे 1.7 इंच का आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट टोटल आया है. कुल मिला के अपन यदि देखें तो आपको 1.5 के आसपास इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया है. जो भी आगे आया